Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you can get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today we're going to take a look at Wren. This is a new style by Rene of Paris and the color on this one is Ice Blonde. We'll be back with more on her in just a minute. All right, let's start talking about this new Rene of Paris style Wren. So she is, as you can see, a long style. She's long. I'll show you when I turn around, but she goes all the way to mid lower back on me. So pretty long. So she is a basic cap. She has no monofilament, so no lace front, no lace part, nothing like that. So I will do a turn. We can look at her all the way around and then we can start talking about all of those specifications. So here she is. And of course she has this short little, sweeping bang. The bang, it was swept over from, in the box. But if you wanted to make it, straighten it out, you would probably have to cut it a little bit because as you can see, it's very much in my eyes. So that's another reason for the side swoop. But it came kind of side swooped anyway, so I just left it that way. Okay, here's my left side. Here's the back. You can see all the way not to the waist, but getting down there. Okay, and back to the front. All right, so like I said, she has no mono features. So, you're gonna see the presence of some permatease up here. I think to my eye, it's got a slight nesty appearance to it, which is not my favorite thing, but I just want to point that out, And I parted it a little bit from the side just because of the bangs. When it came out of the box, the bangs were kind of wanting to go over this direction, but you could part it anywhere, up here on the top. So, and then of course we have these bangs, so no need for a lace front because you have bangs. And then I've got good coverage around the face. This is average and it's definitely fitting a little bit big on me. I had to bring the circumference in, I had to bring in both adjusters, and then it feels a little bit big ear to ear. Not terrible, but just a little bit. So I would say this is average and just right above average. So a little bit big on petite heads. So, okay, so measurement wise, this fringe here in the front is 4.25 inches. She has a crown measurement of 15 inches. And then the nape back here is 17 inches. So long nape. You're going to have a lot of hair, like I said, down the back. Weight-wise, she is 5.46 ounces. So lots, lots of hair, but not, their permatease is up on the top here, because you have to have something to cover that cap. But otherwise, throughout the wig, I don't feel a lot of permatease. She feels fairly low density. So, okay, we'll pop her off and look at the inside of her cap. Okay, I want to show you the top here. So, like I said, see how you have a little bit of those short hairs sticking up there. So when you look directly down at it, it's hard to show on camera. It actually looks better on camera than it does when I look at it. There, you can just see those little tiny hairs there. But, that's pretty typical of a basic cap wig. So, okay, so we'll flip her inside out here. So here you have your, basic cap there. You've just got some closed wefting under there with some flower lace over the top. You've got a nice soft felt area here that's going to rest on your forehead. And then of course here's your bang. She's got the soft felt ear tabs. She's got a good sized piece of metal in there. Open wefted all through the cap. Extended soft felt nape. Pull adjusters that, as you can see on my petite head, I had to pull both sides in. So, and then plenty of stretch in this cap. So like I said, this would definitely be average and slightly above. So, okay, let's talk about this color, Ice Blonde. So Ice Blonde is described as a medium ash blonde base with long pale ash blonde tips. So definitely a darker ash blonde. In some lighting, to me, it almost has a gray cast to it. That's just that ashiness, coming out. So, and I'll show you the tips here. So it gets lighter. To me, the easiest place to see the lighter tips is on these bangs. So see how you've got that ash and then you get the little iced, what look like little iced tips there on the end of the bangs. Then this side, you know, there's just a long piece of the bang there that's got that icy shade to it. So you can see that very down there, you know, down there at the end. Okay, this is just with the light in the room. I want to try to show you those up close, but they kind of disappear when I get too close to the camera. So you can see that lighter, you know, those lighter tips. And then you can see those light tips on the bangs. All right, let's go check it out outside. Here we are outside. Looks blonder outside. Indoor lighting is when I kind of see that like gray beige, you know, quality to the blonde. Again, you can see those tips. So there's the top. So here we are in sun. Shade here. Okay, here's another lighting. So this is, there's window light coming in from my door. There you can see those long tips. We'll look at glasses and styling and all that kind of stuff. So she's easy to tuck behind the ears because she is low density, which is nice. And of course your bangs are just always going to stay right on your forehead there. So headband looks cute. Oh, I forgot glasses. I'll do those in a minute. Skipped ahead to the headband. That looks cute though. Okay, glasses. Glasses are no problem at all. Go up on your head really easily, you know. So, like I said, she's got, you know, those little hairs up on the top to cover the cap. But other than that, I'm not feeling a lot of permatease. Maybe a little teasing just right where the hair attaches to the cap, but, you know, not a lot. So she's got lots of length, so she's going to be pretty to style, you know, and versatile to style. So half up, half down. Ponytail, I think she's going to make a really pretty ponytail, and you could go higher with the ponytail. You just have to slowly work it up, you know, higher, 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 higher. It's hard to do on video, but it's really cute for a ponytail. And then of course you could twist her and do, you know, updos. You could pull down some more hair right around your face here. I like to do that a lot of times because I like to kind of hide that edge of the wig a little more whenever I put a wig up. So really, really pretty. She's very, very versatile. And like I said, she's just a basic cap, so that keeps her price point low, which is really, really nice. So, okay, I'd like to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.